This tutorial will be covering different view tools SketchUp has to offer. The first tool we are covering is the Look Around tool. This tool enables the user to move the camera side to side, up and down, like moving your head around. Select this tool, click on an area you want to observe, and click on the screen. Hold the button down and move left and right, up and down. The second tool we are covering is the Walk Around tool. This symbol looks like two shoe prints. This tool moves the camera forward and turns the camera into different directions. This tool stimulates how the model would look from eye height. The height can be adjusted by typing in a desired height and by clicking Enter on your keyboard. Select this tool and click on the portion of your screen that you wish to move. Move your mouse forward to move forward, and back to move backwards. To turn, move your mouse left and right. The third tool we are covering is the Position Camera tool. The symbol for this tool is a human figure standing on an X. This tool enables you to view your model at a specific height relative to the surface of your model. The height is meant to reflect a person's eye height. This height can be edited like the Walk tool. To change the height, have the Position Camera tool selected and type in a desired height and click Enter. The eye height is displayed on the bottom right of the screen. Select the Position Camera tool on your keyboard, type in 12 feet, and then Enter. Then click on the screen where you would like it to be positioned. To see a difference in height, on your keyboard type in 3 feet and then Enter. As you can see, the viewing height decreased dramatically. That concludes the Viewing Tools tutorial.